Hey everybody, one of the things that I really like to make, and I do it really well, is pimento and cheese. And today I'm going to make pimento and cheese that's got a little twist on it. It's going to be a little bit spicy. We're going to make a charred jalapeno pimento and cheese, and I think you're really going to like it. Starts by charring my jalapenos, sort of blistering them. If you have a gas stovetop like this, you could just do them, right over the flame. I'm not doing that. I'm doing them in a skillet. Or you could also do them on your grill right over an open flame. It's a lot quicker process and probably blacken a little bit better for you. But I'm just going to roll these around the skillet a little bit and char them. And when I get them charred, I'm going to put them in this bowl. I'm going to cover them and let them cool down.
Jalapenos look great. They're blistered all the way around. Got a nice little char on them. And I'm going to put them in this bowl, cover them with some saran wrap. Look at that. My extra pair of hands. Wait for them to cool, and then we'll peel that skin off. Thanks, Teresa. Just like this. Step number 1.
So we charred our jalapenos. We blistered them in a 10-inch skillet. Got them nice and hot. And don't be afraid to go long on these. Because if you don't really blister them, char them hard, then it's hard to get that skin off. But the more you blister them, the more patient you can be while that's happening, the easier the skin will come off.
Can I give you a tip on that, Bobby?
Who are you, Paula Deen?
No.
Yes, you can. No, you're not. Sound a lot like her.
Not right now.
Yes, please give your tip.
At the Lady and Sons for dinner, we used to char these peppers for certain dishes.
Mm-hmm.
And if you got a gas stove, they char so good on there.
Don't they?
Yes, just hold them in the fire, to rotate them using some tongs, and they'll blister real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Real quick.
You're right about that. You are right about that.
So there's always more than one way to get to the...
That's right. That's right. We talked about that and how you could do it on the grill also.
Yeah.
So these are the ones that we blistered, and they look really, really good. And now I'm going to put together my pimento and cheese. So now we're going to beat our cream cheese, which has been softened. And our mayonnaise together. I really like a pimento and cheese. We made lots of different salads for the Lady and Sons. I used to make all of the salads. And then at one point I made all of the desserts. But gosh, I really like making pimento cheese, egg salad, chicken salad, tuna salad. I was really good with all these different things. And I'm really excited about this version of the pimento and cheese. It's nice to know that there are varieties out there that I haven't yet done. All right, here we go. So let's mix. My cream cheese and mayonnaise is beaten together. And now I'm just going to add in my dry ingredients, a little garlic powder and paprika and a little dry mustard. We'll add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Some pimentos. It's coming together nicely already. I love that pop of color too. Now, if you wanted to, you could add in some crumbled bacon. Oof, is that good in a pimento and cheese? Yes, it is. Mix in those dry ingredients, and finally, we'll add our sharp cheddar.
That's it.
Try and fold that together. And I was really close on the bowl size here. Could have gone a little bit bigger, but we're going to make this happen. Make sure that cream cheese is all throughout. Or excuse me, that cheddar cheese is all throughout. And oh man, this looks and smells so good. It's so thick and rich and creamy, just like a pimento and cheese should be. Good. How's that look, Ed? Pretty good?
It's good. Yeah, it's good. These peppers.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. Yeah.
Catching my nose.
Yeah. Almost forgot the main ingredient. Yeah, I went to a great deal of trouble to get these. Oops, sorry.
Fold those in.
Those colors together, those red and green, the smell of that, the blistered jalapenos. Oh man, this is going to be wonderful. So this is a nice variation. The next time you make a pimento and cheese, if you want to shake it up and do something a little bit different, charred jalapeno pimento cheese. A little bit of cracked black pepper.
Definitely not excellent.
Definitely not what? Yeah, that looks great. I just like to see a little bit of black pepper in my jalapeno and cheese. Or excuse me, in my pimento and cheese.
So we just need to make sure we don't give it to Peggy.
Oh, she's not a spice girl, is she?
Not a spice girl.
Well, that looks really good. Let's give it a taste. Well, I'm a spice guy. I like it.
Okay.
It's not spicy.
Give it a moment.
Smoky.
I mean, it's not filling your mouth, but it's got
It's not hot. It's got a little bit of it's got a warm finish. It's really, really good though. So you don't have to worry about this being overly spicy. It is creamy. It's very flavorful, very, very good. And I think that you'll like it. So next time you make your pimento and cheese, make it a charred jalapeno pimento and cheese. And I think that you will approve.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.